Welcome back to my channel once again. It's Faith here, your web doctor, and in this video I'm going to show you how to speed up your WordPress Elementor website using the element manager. So why would you want to speed up your website? The reason is that you don't want your website to run so slow. If your website takes more than 3 seconds to load, you risk losing sales, and you also risk people bouncing off from your website to your competitors' website. So the easiest way to do that on your website is to use the element manager. So there are so many ways to speed up your WordPress website, but in this video I'm going to show you specifically how to use the element manager. What the element manager does is that it helps you reduce the number of codes that are loaded or resources that are loaded on your front end. So the elements or the widgets you're not using, you have to switch them off and then run the codes you are using. So let's get right into it. The first thing you have to do is to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. All right, when you come here, over around Elementor, you will locate element manager, click on it. All right, wait for it to load. So as soon as it loads, all right, you can see the ones that are active here. Look at the status here. You can see these ones are active, these ones are inactive. All right, these ones are active. You can see so many of them are loading, even the ones that I'm not using. So what do? Instead of switching them off one after the other, which is going to take our time, we're going to use just a tool to do that. We are going to use a feature here to disable all of them at once. So what are we going to do now? So we're going to click on enable all. Let's say when you come here, you will see it enabled. All right, so you can decide to disable all at once. All right, so we're going to do what? The first thing we're going to do is to scan elements usage. So we want to see the ones we are using so that we don't switch off everything. Now it has given us the ones we are using, it has scanned the ones we are using, and then it has also scanned out the ones we are not using. So what are we going to do? We're going to deactivate unused elements. Remember what I said? When you come here, you will see the ones that are active and the ones that are not active. But if you want to actually differentiate the ones that are active and the ones that are not active, just use the scan element usage feature here. So we have done that already. Then click on deactivate unused elements. All right, so if you want to enable all of them, you use the feature here. As soon as that is done, you click on save changes. So let's wait for it. It has actually, see, these ones are not in use, but we're loading them on our front end, and that will actually slow down our landing page or our website, and we wouldn't want something like that to happen. That is why we're using this. And so as soon as that is done, you click on save changes, and then that is done. So if you go to the front end now, let's go to the front end and see. Let me open my home page. Let's see how it goes. Let me go to my home page. So let me quickly go to my home page. So let me go to home. So we want to search home. So we want to go to home. Let's open it in a new tab. So let's wait for it to load. So now it has loaded. All right, so let's go and check our elements. Can you see? If you come to the elements tab, you see that a lot of them are not here because we removed the ones we are not using. Can you see? We remove the ones. If you search anything like video, you will not see it. You will not see the video element because we switch them off. You can't see them here. You can only see the ones we are using. The text feature is here. Can you see? We can drag this one and use it. All right, so that's how to do that. All right, so if you got value from this video, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button, like this video, share this video, and see you in my next video.